Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your mic is muted by system settings. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Sound. Click App Volume and Device Preferences, click Reset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy. Click Microphone, click Change to On, also turn on Allow apps to access your microphone. Turn on microphone in appropriate application. Third method is open Chrome browser. Click Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings, click Microphone, check sites can ask to use your microphone. Fourth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, select your microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change to maximum level. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.